Ice accumulation. Storm total ice accumulations of a thin glaze to 1/10 of an inch are expected north of Interstate 44 with accumulations from 1/4 to a 1/2 inch along and south of the Interstate 44 corridor. Winds and visibility. Easterly to southeasterly winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 35 miles per hour will occur today. The strongest winds will occur across the eastern Missouri Ozarks early this afternoon. Winds will diminish over all areas later this afternoon. Impacts. The wintry mix will continue to impact travel conditions. The Missouri Department of Transportation reports ice-covered roads over most areas along with several accidents. Freezing rain will accumulate on elevated objects including trees and power lines. Damage to some trees and power lines may occur along and south of the Interstate 44 corridor, which would result in localized power outages and debris in roadways. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. Strong winds are also possible.
The current time is 2:47 p.m. Central Standard Time.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KWN 55 Jamestown, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves portions of central Missouri. We broadcast from the Cumulus Media Tower near Jamestown, Missouri on a transmitter donated by your local electric cooperatives. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, California, and surrounding communities. This afternoon, windy, snow, sleet, thunderstorms, and freezing rain. Precipitation heavy at times. Additional snow and sleet accumulation of 3 to 5 inches. Total snow accumulation 8 to 12 inches. A light glazing expected. High in the upper 20s. East wind 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 40 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, cloudy, snow, possibly mixed with sleet and freezing drizzle in the evening. Then chance of freezing drizzle after midnight. Snow and sleet accumulation just under a 1/2 inch expected. A light glazing expected. Low around 20. Temperature rising through the 20s by midnight, then near steady overnight. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the evening, shifting to the south after midnight. Chance of measurable precipitation 70%. Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny early in the afternoon and becoming mostly cloudy late in the afternoon. High around 30. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Low around 12. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, partly cloudy. High in the lower 30s. Southwest wind around 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear. Low around 19. Sunday, mostly sunny. High in the mid-40s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain, possibly mixed with snow. Low around to around 40 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. At 2 p.m. the report from Jefferson City was not available. The report from Columbia was not available. Elsewhere in mid-Missouri, across the region, once again the report from Jefferson City was not available. The report from Columbia was not available. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of eastern and central Missouri as well as west central and southwest Illinois. For today and tonight, winter storm warnings and advisories have been issued for the area for today and tonight. Significant accumulations of snow, sleet, and freezing rain are expected across the area. Please see the warning and advisory products for more information. Isolated thunderstorms are possible today along with the winter weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotters are encouraged to report precipitation types and accumulations to the National Weather Service in St. Louis. Winter storm warning remains in effect until midnight tonight. Timing: precipitation will continue, heavy at times during the afternoon, before tapering off by evening. Precipitation is expected to be mostly snow and sleet, mixed with freezing rain during the afternoon, and taper off as freezing drizzle during the evening. Accumulations: snow and sleet accumulation of 6 to 11 inches, along with up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Winds, east 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Impacts: heavy snow, sleet and ice accumulations will have significant impacts on travel. Ice may cause damage to trees and power lines. A winter storm warning means that a significant amount of snow, sleet and shore ice is expected or occurring. Strong winds are also possible. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. Friday. A winter storm warning for heavy snow remains in effect until 6 a.m. Friday. Timing: late this morning through early Friday morning. The heaviest precipitation will occur this afternoon. Snow accumulations, 8 to 12 inches. Some sleet may mix in, especially south of Highway 36 during the afternoon hours. Impacts: heavy snow will have significant impacts on travel. Thunder may accompany the snow, resulting in higher snow rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour at times this afternoon. Other impacts: freezing drizzle may mix in at times this evening. A winter storm warning for heavy snow and sleet means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. A winter storm warning for heavy snow, sleet and freezing rain remains in effect until midnight tonight. Timing: late this morning through this evening. The heaviest precipitation will occur this afternoon with sleet and freezing rain possibly mixing in. Snow/ice accumulations, snow and sleet accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. Ice accumulations less than 1/10 of an inch possible this afternoon. The highest snow totals will be along and north of Interstate 70, with the highest ice totals to the south of Interstate 70. Impacts: heavy snow, sleet and ice accumulations will have significant impacts on travel. Icing is expected to be light enough to avoid any significant impacts to trees and power lines. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Be careful if you plan to use alternate sources of heat or electricity in your home. Observe all safety precautions to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, electrocution, or fire. Portable generators should only be operated outdoors in a dry and well-ventilated area. A winter storm warning for snow, sleet, and freezing rain remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Short-term trends: a band of moderate to heavy sleet and freezing rain will continue to impact areas east of the Highway 65 corridor through mid-afternoon. Isolated scattered thunderstorms can also be expected, which will result in very heavy BURSTS of sleet and small hail, along with poor visibilities. Sleet accumulation rates of over a ½ inch per hour can't be expected within thunderstorms. Additional ice accumulations between noon and 3 p.m. will range from a thin glaze up to 1/10 of an inch east of Highway 65. For areas along and west of the Highway 65 corridor, showers of light sleet and freezing rain will persist through mid-afternoon. Patchy freezing drizzle will also be possible. Additional ice and sleet accumulations will be minor. A period of light to moderate snow is then expected from later this afternoon into this evening across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and west central Missouri. Timing and areas affected: all of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeastern Kansas through this afternoon. Snow and sleet accumulation. Storm total accumulations of snow and sleet will generally range from 1 to 4 inches, with the highest amounts along and north of the Highway 54 corridor in central Missouri. Pockets of heavy sleet will occur within thunderstorms across the eastern Missouri Ozarks this afternoon. Sleet accumulations may exceed an inch in localized areas. Ice accumulation. Storm total ice accumulations of a thin glacier